Hello friends, in today's lecture we have to discuss about another example of Taylor's theorem. Using Taylor's theorem, expand x square y plus 3y minus 2 in terms of x minus 1 y plus 2. Here fxy is equal to x square y plus 3y minus 2. હવે x minus a is equal to x minus 1, then a is equal to 1, and y minus b is equal to y plus 2, then b is equal to minus 2. તો a અને b ની કિંમત આપણને 1 અને minus 2 મળી. હવે fxy is equal to x square y plus 3y minus 2. તો f1 minus 2 is equal to x ની જગ્યાએ 1 મૂકો, y ની જગ્યાએ minus 2 મૂકો, is equal to x square 1 square y ની કિંમત minus 2 plus 3y plus 3 into minus 2 minus 2 is equal to minus 2 minus 6 minus 2 is equal to minus 10. Then f1 minus 2 is equal to minus 10. Now આપેલા ફંક્શનનું with respect to x પાર્શિયલ ડેરિવેટિવ કરો. del f by del x is equal to 2xy. Now del f by del x at point 1 minus 2 is equal to x ની કિંમત 1 મૂકો, y ની કિંમત minus 2 મૂકો. Then 2 into 1 into minus 2 is equal to minus 4. Then del f by del x at 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 4. Now આપેલા ફંક્શનનું with respect to y પાર્શિયલ ડેરિવેટિવ કરવાનું છે. del f by del y is equal to x square plus 3. Now del f by del y at point 1 minus 2 is equal to x ની કિંમત 1 મૂકો, 1 square plus 3 is equal to 4. Then del 2f upon del x2. del f by del xનું અગેઇન એક્સની સાપેક્ષમાં પાર્શિયલ ડેરિવેટિવ કરો is equal to 2y. Now del 2f upon del x2 at point 1 minus 2 is equal to 2 into y ની વેલ્યુ minus 2 is equal to minus 4. Then del f by del y નું અગેઇન y ની સાપેક્ષમાં પાર્શિયલ ડેરિવેટિવ કરો. del 2f upon del y2 is equal to 0. Then del 2f upon del y2 at point 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. Now del 2f upon del x del y. del f by del x નું y ની સાપેક્ષમાં પાર્શિયલ ડેરિવેટિવ કરો is equal to 2x. And del 2f upon del x del y at point 1 minus 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. By Taylor's theorem, fxy is equal to fab plus x minus a del by del x plus y minus b del by del y fab plus 1 upon 2 factorial x minus a del by del x plus y minus b del by del y square fab plus up to. Here, take a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2 and fxy is equal to x square y plus 3y minus 2. Then fxy x square y plus 3y minus 2 is equal to fab f1 minus 2 plus x minus a એની વેલ્યુ 1. તો અહીં x minus 1 into del by del x plus y minus b. b ની વેલ્યુ minus 2. Then y plus 2 del by del y fab. Put the value of a and b f1 minus 2 plus 1 upon 2 factorial x minus 1 del by del x plus y plus 2 del by del y square f1 minus 2 plus up to. Now f1 minus 2 minus 10 plus x minus 1 del by del x f1 minus 2 del by del x f1 minus 2 is equal to minus 4. Then x minus 1 multiply by minus 4 plus y plus 2 del by del y f1 minus 2. 4 multiply by 4 plus 1 upon 2 factorial x minus 1 square del 2f upon del x2 8.1 minus 2 minus 4 plus 2 x minus 1 y plus 2 del 2f upon del x del y at 1 minus 2 plus y plus 2 no square del 2f upon del y2 8.1 minus 2 0 plus up to is equal to minus 10 minus 4 x minus 1 plus 4 y plus 2 plus અહીં 1 upon 2 અને અહીં minus 4 છે તો minus 2 x minus 1 whole square plus 2 x minus 1 y plus 2 અને આ 2 cancel plus 0 plus up to is equal to minus 10 minus 4 x minus 1 plus 4 y plus 2 minus 2x minus 1 square plus 2x minus 1 y plus 2 plus up to. Now next example, expand fxy is equal to log xy up to second degree in x minus 1 y minus 1. Here fxy is equal to log xy, then x minus a is equal to x minus 1, therefore a is equal to 1, and y minus b is equal to y minus 1, therefore b is equal to 1. Now fxy is equal to log xy. હવે a ની વેલ્યુ 1 છે, b ની વેલ્યુ 1 છે, તો f11 is equal to log 1 is equal to 0. Then આપેલા ફંક્શનનું વિથ રિસ્પેક્ટ ટુ x પાર્શિયલ ડેરિવેટિવ fx xy is equal to log xy નું 1 upon xy અને xy નું with respect to x partial derivative y. Therefore 1 upon xy into y cancel is equal to 1 upon x. Therefore fx at 1 is equal to 1. Now fx નું with respect to x partial derivative કરવાનું છે. 1 upon x નું minus 1 upon x square, then fxx at 1 is equal to minus 1 upon x ની વેલ્યુ 1, therefore 1 square is equal to minus 1. Now આપેલા ફંક્શનનું with respect to y partial derivative કરો. fy at xy is equal to 1 upon xy અને xy નું with respect to y partial derivative x. Then fy 1 is equal to x અને y ની વેલ્યુ મૂકો. 1 upon 1 into 1 is equal to 1. હવે fy નું with respect to y partial derivative કરો. वन अपॉन वाय નું minus 1 upon y square. Therefore fyy at 1 is equal to minus 1 upon 1 square is equal to minus 1. Then fxy xy નું with respect to y partial derivative કરો. Therefore fxy at xy is equal to 0. Then fxy at 1 is equal to 0. Taylor series expansion. fxy is equal to fab plus x minus a del by del x plus y minus b del by del y fab plus 1 upon 2 factorial x minus a del by del x plus y minus b del by del y square fab. Then fxy is equal to fab. a ની વેલ્યુ 1, b ની વેલ્યુ 1, f11 પ્લસ x માઇનસ a ની વેલ્યુ 1 મૂકો, x માઇનસ 1 ઇન્ટુ fx પ્લસ y માઇનસ b ની વેલ્યુ 1, then y માઇનસ 1 ઇન્ટુ fy પ્લસ 1/2 ફેક્ટોરિયલ x માઇનસ 1 હોલ સ્ક્વેર fxx પ્લસ y minus 1 whole square fyy plus 2 multiply by x minus a y minus b into fxy. At 1 1. Now f11 is equal to 0 plus x minus a into fx at 1 1 is equal to 1. Then put the value of fx 1 plus y minus 1 fy at 1 1 is equal to 1. Plus 1/2 factorial x minus 1 whole square fxx at 1 1 minus 1 plus 2 into x minus 1 y minus 1 fxy at 1 1 is equal to 0. Plus y minus 1 square fyy at 1 1 minus 1. Now fxy is equal to log xy is equal to x minus 1 plus y minus 1 minus 1/2 factorial x minus 1 no whole square plus y minus 1 whole square. Now, extreme values of a function of two variables. Local extreme values. Suppose fxy is defined on E subset of R2 if AB belongs to E, there exists a neighborhood of AB such that xy belongs to N intersection E. Implies fab greater or equal fxy, then fab is said to be local maximum value of f at ab. And second, xy belongs to N intersection E implies fab less or equal fxy, then fab is said to be local minimum value of f at AB. Now, absolute extreme value or global extreme value. Suppose fxy is defined on E subset of R2 and S subset of E. If xy belongs to S, FAB greater or equal to fxy, then FAB is said to be absolute maximum of f at AB. And second, if xy belongs to S, FAB less or equal to fxy, then FAB is said to be absolute minimum of f at AB. Note: the necessary condition that fxy has an extreme value at AB are fxAB is equal to 0 and fyAB is equal to 0. Then saddle point: if for point AB fx is equal to fy is equal to 0 but f is not maximum or minimum at AB, then AB is said to be saddle point of f. And third, suppose fxAB is equal to 0, fyAB is equal to 0 and fxxAB is equal to r, fyYAB is equal to t, fxyAB is equal to s. If rt minus s square greater than 0, r less than 0, then f has maximum value at AB. Second, if rt minus s square greater than 0, r greater than 0, then f has minimum value at AB. Number 3, if rt minus s square less than 0, then f does not maximum or minimum value at AB. And number 4, if rt minus s square is equal to 0, then test is not applicable. Now, example for which points fxy is equal to 144 x cube y square multiply 1 minus x minus y has extreme value. The necessary condition that fxy has an extreme value at AB are fxAB is equal to 0, fyAB is equal to 0. fx આપેલા ફંક્શનનું with respect to x partial derivative, that means fx is equal to પ્રોડક્ટ રૂલ પ્રમાણે થશે 1 minus x minus y as it is 144 y square અને x ક્યુબનું 3x square પ્લસ 144 x cube y square as it is અને 1 minus x minus y નું with respect to x partial derivative minus 1 is equal to 144 x square y square common 3 ને અંદર ગુણી લો 3 minus 3x minus 3y minus x. Therefore, fx is equal to 144 x square y square minus 3x minus x minus 4x minus 3y plus 3. હવે fy આપેલા ફંક્શનનું વિથ રિસ્પેક્ટ ટુ વાય પાર્શિયલ ડેરિવેટિવ, ધેટ મીન્સ fy પ્રોડક્ટ રૂલ પ્રમાણે થશે 144x³ y² એઝ ઇટ ઇઝ 1 - x - y નું વિથ રિસ્પેક્ટ ટુ વાય પાર્શિયલ ડેરિવેટિવ -1 પ્લસ 1 - x - y એઝ ઇટ ઇઝ અને 144x³ y² નું 2y ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ -144x³ y² પ્લસ 144x³ y અને 2 ને અંદર ગુણી લો 2 - 2x - 2y ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 144x³ y કોમન 2 - 2x - 2y y ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 144x³ y -2y - y -3y plus 2 - 2x. એક્સ્ટ્રીમ વેલ્યુઝ માટેના પોઈન્ટ શોધવાના છે. fx at ab is equal to 0, fy ab is equal to 0. fx is equal to 0, fy is equal to 0. fx is equal to 144 x square y square minus 4x minus 3y plus 3 is equal to 0. And 144 x cube y 2 minus 2x minus 3y is equal to 0. It is clear that A0, 0b are solution of this equation. Then from 1 and 2, minus 4x minus 3y plus 3 is equal to 0 and minus 2x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now, આ બંને સમીકરણને ઉકેલતા xની વેલ્યુ 1/2 અને yની વેલ્યુ 1/3 મળશે. Therefore, xy is equal to 1/2, 1/3. Therefore, A0, 0b and 1/2, 1/3 are required points. Now, next example. Find the extreme value for the function fxy is equal to x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 minus 2x minus y whole square. Here fxy is equal to x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 minus 2x minus y whole square. હવે એક્સ્ટ્રીમ વેલ્યુ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાની છે. ફોર એક્સ્ટ્રીમ વેલ્યુઝ fx is equal to 0 and fy is equal to 0. તો fxyનું વિથ રિસ્પેક્ટ ટુ x પાર્શિયલ ડેરિવેટિવ કરવાનું છે અને fxyનું વિથ રિસ્પેક્ટ ટુ y પાર્શિયલ ડેરિવેટિવ કરવાનું છે. તો fxyનું વિથ રિસ્પેક્ટ ટુ x પાર્શિયલ ડેરિવેટિવ fx xy is equal to x raised to 4 નું 4x cube plus y raised to 4 નું 0 minus 4x minus y and fy is equal to 4y cube plus 4x minus y. Now, for extreme value, fx is equal to 0. Then, 4x cube minus 4xy is equal to 0. હવે 4 ને અંદર ગુણી લો. 4x cube minus 4x plus 4y is equal to 0. Therefore, x cube minus x minus y is equal to 0. fy is equal to 0. Therefore, 4y cube plus 4x minus y is equal to 0. Therefore, 4y cube plus 4x minus 4y is equal to 0. Therefore, y cube plus x minus y is equal to 0. Now, adding equation 1 plus 2. X cube minus x minus y plus y cube plus x minus y is equal to 0. Therefore, x cube plus y cube is equal to 0. Therefore, x cube is equal to minus y cube. Therefore, x is equal to minus y. Put this value in equation 2. Y cube minus 2y is equal to 0. Therefore, y common, y square minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 0 and y square is equal to 2. Therefore, y is equal to plus or minus 2. But x is equal to minus y. Y is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 0. Y is equal to plus root 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus root 2 because x is equal to minus y. And y is equal to minus root 2. Therefore, x is equal to plus root 2. Now, stationary points are 0, 0, minus root 2 plus root 2 and root 2 minus root 2. Now, r is equal to fxx, t is equal to fyy અને s is equal to fxy. Therefore, r is equal to fxxxy. fx નું with respect to x partial derivative, that means fxx at xy. x square minus 4 s is equal to fxy. fx નું with respect to y partial derivative. Minus 4 into 0 minus 1 is equal to 4. And t is equal to fyy. fy નું with respect to y partial derivative. That means fyy. xy is equal to 12y square minus 4. હવે 4.00 r is equal to 12x square minus 4. x ની વેલ્યુ 0 મૂકો. Then 12 into 0 minus 4 is equal to minus 4. Then s for and t. 12y square minus 4. 12 into y ની વેલ્યુ 0 minus 4 is equal to minus 4. Now rt minus s square is equal to r ની વેલ્યુ minus 4, t ની વેલ્યુ minus 4 minus s square, s ની વેલ્યુ 4. 4 square is equal to 16, then minus 16 is equal to 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. Therefore, rt minus s square is equal to 0 and r ની વેલ્યુ less than 0. If rt minus s square is equal to 0, then test is not applicable. Then test is fail at point 0, 0. Now at point root 2 minus root 2. Same way r is equal to 12x square minus 4. 12 into x ની વેલ્યુ root 2, then x square is equal to 2. Therefore 12 multiplied by 2 minus 4 is equal to 24 minus 4 is equal to 20. Now s is equal to 4 and t is equal to 12y square minus 4. 12 into y ની વેલ્યુ minus root 2. Therefore y square is equal to 2 minus 4 is equal to 24 minus 4 is equal to 20. Therefore rt minus s square, r ની વેલ્યુ 20, t ની વેલ્યુ 20, 20 multiplied by 20 minus s square. s ની વેલ્યુ 4 છે તો minus 4 square is equal to 400 minus 16 is equal to 384. Then rt minus s square greater than 0 and r greater than 0. If rt minus s square greater than 0, r greater than 0, then f has minimum value at AB. Therefore, fxy has minimum value at point root 2 minus root 2. Now, f root 2 minus root 2 is equal to fxy is equal to x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 minus 2 x minus y whole square. એમાં x ની વેલ્યુ √2 મૂકો અને y ની વેલ્યુ minus √2 મૂકો. is equal to 4 plus 4 minus 2 √2 minus √2 whole square is equal to 8 minus 16 is equal to minus 8. Therefore, f √2 minus √2 is equal to minus 8. Now, at point minus √2, √2, r is equal to 20, s is equal to 4, t is equal to 20. Therefore, rt minus s square is equal to 20 multiplied by 20 minus 4 square is equal to 384. Therefore, rt minus s square greater than 0 and r greater than 0. Therefore, fxy has minimum at point minus √2, √2. Therefore, f minus √2, √2 is equal to minus 8.